Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, Functional Training. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on functional training. In this section, we will explore the concept of functional training, its benefits, and how it can enhance your overall fitness and daily activities. Functional training focuses on exercises that mimic real-life movements, improving strength, stability, mobility, and coordination in a practical and functional manner. Stories and examples. 1. The busy professional. Imagine a busy professional who spends long hours sitting at a desk. Functional training becomes their secret weapon to counteract the negative effects of a sedentary lifestyle. Through exercises that target core stability, posture, and mobility, they can alleviate back pain, improve posture, and enhance overall well-being. 2. The weekend adventurer. Picture an outdoor enthusiast who loves hiking, rock climbing, and other adventurous activities. Functional training becomes their preparation tool. By incorporating exercises that mimic the demands of their chosen activities, they can build the strength, endurance, and stability required to conquer their weekend adventures. Top 12 Functional Training Exercises, Methods, Techniques. 1. Squats. Squats are a fundamental functional exercise that targets the lower body, particularly the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. They simulate movements like sitting and standing, making them highly practical for daily activities. 2. Deadlifts. Deadlifts focus on lifting objects from the ground, improving posterior chain strength, including the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. They enhance overall lifting mechanics and promote proper body mechanics. 3. Lunges. Lunges improve lower body strength and stability while replicating movements like walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from a seated position. They target the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. 4. Push-ups. Push-ups engage the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, mimicking movements like pushing heavy objects or performing a push motion in daily activities. 5. Pull-ups. Pull-ups develop upper body strength, particularly in the back, shoulders, and arms. They replicate movements like climbing or pulling oneself up, improving overall pulling mechanics. 6. Planks. Planks focus on core stability and engage the abs, back, and shoulders. They promote a strong and stable core, essential for maintaining proper posture and preventing injuries. 7. Farmer's walk. The farmer's walk exercise involves carrying weights in each hand and walking. It targets the grip strength, core stability, and overall functional strength necessary for carrying heavy loads or groceries. 8. Medicine ball throws. Medicine ball throws incorporate explosive movements, mimicking actions like throwing a ball or lifting objects overhead. They enhance power, coordination, and functional upper body strength. 9. Step-ups. Step-ups simulate climbing stairs or stepping onto elevated surfaces. They strengthen the lower body, particularly the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, improving balance and functional leg strength. 10. Single leg balance exercises. Single leg balance exercises improve stability and proprioception, mimicking movements like walking or running on uneven surfaces. They enhance joint stability and reduce the risk of falls. 11. Turkish get-ups. Turkish get-ups are a full-body exercise that involves transitioning from lying to standing while holding a weight overhead. They improve overall body coordination and functional movement patterns. 12. Agility ladder drills. Agility ladder drills focus on footwork, speed, and coordination. They simulate movements like quick changes in direction, enhancing agility and dynamic balance. Summary. In this section, we explored the concept of functional training and its benefits in terms of enhancing daily activities and overall functional fitness. We discussed various functional training exercises, including squats, deadlifts, lunges, push-ups, pull-ups, planks, farmer's walks, medicine ball throws, step-ups, single-leg balance exercises, Turkish get-ups, and agility ladder drills. These exercises target different muscle groups and improve strength, stability, mobility, and coordination in a practical and functional manner. Poem. In the realm of fitness, a method we find. Functional training, a treasure to unwind. It mimics movements, activities we do. Building strength, stability, and coordination too. Squats and lunges, a lower body's delight. Enhancing strength, making movements feel light. Push-ups and pull-ups, an upper body's test. Building power and endurance, we're at our best. Planks and balance exercises, a stable core. improving posture, preventing injuries galore. Deadlifts and step-ups, strength from the ground. Functional movements, strength is found. Turkish get-ups, transitions so grand. From lying to standing, a movement in demand. Medicine ball throws, explosive power we seek. Enhancing coordination, strength that's unique. In agility ladder drills, footwork takes flight. Quick changes in direction, speed shining bright. Functional training, a journey we embark. Building a foundation, leaving our mark. Song. Verse 1. Welcome to functional training, a fitness revelation. Mimicking real-life movements, improving coordination. Squats and lunges strengthen our lower frame. Building functional strength, it's not just a game. Chorus. Push-ups and pull-ups, the upper body thrives. Functional training, we push our limits and strive. Planks and balance exercises, a stable core we find. Deadlifts and step-ups, strength from behind. Verse 2. Turkish get-ups challenge our body and mind. Transitioning from lying to standing, a test we'll find. Medicine ball throws, explosive power we ignite. Agility ladder drills, footwork takes flight. Chorus. Push-ups and pull-ups, the upper body thrives. Functional training, we push our limits and strive. Planks and balance exercises, a stable core we find. Deadlifts and step-ups, strength from behind. Bridge. Functional training, a path to unlock. Strength, stability, and mobility we'll stock. Every exercise, a purpose to fulfill. Improving functional fitness, a journey uphill. Chorus. Push-ups and pull-ups, the upper body thrives. Functional training, we push our limits and strive. Planks and balance exercises, a stable core we find. Deadlifts and step-ups, strength from behind. Outro. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.